Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will give you a complete beginner-friendly guide to Google Gemini, Google powerful AI that works seamlessly with all your favorite apps. So, what exactly is Gemini? Just think of it as your personal AI assistant. You can ask questions, get explanations, write emails, or even create content all in one place. And Gemini comes in two versions, the free plans or flash versions, which already covers almost everything you will need, and the pro plan, which unlocks advanced features if you want to take things further. And now let's go over the main features. There are first, let's talk about the interface. Basically, it's just like ChatGPT. You can start a conversations and then ask anything, and Gemini will give clear, smart answer. You can start a conversations or ask anything by type a request over here, and Gemini will give a clear, smart answer. Like from homework helps to brainstorming ideas, it's super versatile. And then its integrations with Google Apps. This is where Gemini really shines. It connects directly to Gmail, Calendar, Google Docs, Drive, or even Google Keep. And then or even it can also integrations with Spotify, YouTube Music, and many more. That means you can draft emails, summarize long documents, or organize data instantly. And then Gemini also has deep research or research mode like this. Instead of scrolling through in endless websites, Gemini can gather information and then compare results and deliver a clear report with searches included. And it's huge time saver. And then there are also canvas mode like this. That it lets you actually create things like document, web pages, or even simple apps and games right inside Gemini. And then there are also image and file support. Just tap on plus button, and over here you can upload files like PDF and photo for Gemini to analyze or summarize. And with the latest update, there are a new tool called Gemini Nano Banana, which lets you edit pictures by typing prompts. It's super handy for quick visual. And then on the mobile, Gemini app also comes with Gemini Live, this one, like where you can talk to it naturally, almost like having a real conversation with someone. And if you ever choose to upgrade, the Pro plan will unlock more advanced AI models like video generations and then extra Google storage. But honestly, the free plan is already powerful enough for most people. So that's Google Gemini in a nutshell, an all-in-one AI assistant for chatting, creating, researching, and working smarter with your Google tools. Okay, if you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you!